In today's video, let's talk about how to use Binance P2P Fiat Withdrawal. Now, in order to do this, the first step that you need to actually do is transfer your crypto to your funding wallet. In order to sell crypto to the P2P market, you must first of all move it out of your spot or on wallet. So simply head over to your wallets within Binance and then make sure the destination is selected from spot wallet to a funding wallet, and make sure you select a coin, usually USDT, so that you can get the best exchange rate. And then simply enter in the amount that you are trying to withdraw. Secondly, what you also need to do is set up the fiat payment method. So simply within the add payment method within the P2P, you can simply select the bank transfer or different wallets that you may able to add in, such as Wise or Revoluts. And once you do, you can simply head over to the P2P section, select sell, select USDT, and select the P2P or the pair that you're trying to sell to, and you'll be able to select one of the sellers that is available on this list. So this is the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.